Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing coordinates and converting equations to slope-intercept form so you can plot quickly. First, isolate y. Move terms and divide to get y equals mx plus c. Once done, identify m as rise over run and c as the y-intercept. Mark that point. Make sure to use consistent scale on both axes so slopes translate correctly. This step sets the foundation. Accurate conversion and scaling prevents errors later when you draw lines and find intersection points. Next, plot each line methodically. Place the intercept, then apply the slope as rise over run to find a second point. For negative slopes, move down then right. Use a ruler to connect points and extend lines across the graph. That keeps intersections visible. Once done, cross-check by making a quick table of x values and computing y to confirm plotted points match the equations. This redundancy ensures your graphical solution is accurate and reduces guesswork when lines are nearly parallel. Finally, read the intersection coordinates where the two lines cross. That pair is your solution. You should then plug x and y back into both original equations to verify they satisfy each one. This confirms your graphing and arithmetic. If lines look very close or almost parallel, don't trust the eye. Solve the system algebraically by substitution or elimination to get the exact numbers. One troubleshooting tip: if results disagree, recheck scale and slope signs. A flipped sign is the most common plotting error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.